Elgato has sponsored me to tell you what's in the box with the Elgato Wave 1 microphone. I've recommended the Wave 3 to dozens of my clients. What's in the box with the Wave 1? Is it different than the Wave 3? I'll be honest with you, not really. It's pretty much the same package. You get the beautiful form factor front address condenser microphone in the box. It's got the little swivel stand on it, which I love, which you can lock on the side here and get it into just the position you want. Goes 360, which is nice. The mic has the USB-C inputs on the back, as well as the microphone jack on the back, which is really nice. And when it comes in the box, it'll be mounted directly to this table stand. The table stand comes with the mic, which is cool. And you may be thinking, this is a teeny tiny little table stand, not going to work for me. I can tell you it will. The table stand is definitely heavy enough for the mic. The mic is relatively light form factor, and the stand is definitely heavy enough, and it comes with a very thin threaded screw head on the top that is designed specifically for that exact same connector here on the bottom of the microphone. Now, if you're wanting to connect this mic to, let's say, the boom stand of your choice, there's an adapter that comes along with the microphone that allows you to do that, to go to larger thread sizes. And so basically you take the adapter that comes in the box, you go ahead and screw it on whatever your boom stand is, your shock mount, whatever, and then you can just screw on the microphone. I'll have a separate tutorial just about that, but it's really simple to put it on any number of stands. I've tested it with 4 or 5 different stands that I have, and it works out great for all of those. And then, of course, in the box, you need a way to plug this microphone into your computer. So it does come with a USB-A to USB-C cable in the box, which is what's going to power the microphone and bring that data into your computer so that you can interface with the Wavelink software and use all of those beautiful mixing capabilities that come with the mic on your computer. So that's what's in the box itself. Now, there are optional accessories that you can purchase separately with the Wave 1 microphone. I'll link those in the description below. A pop filter as well as a shock mount. That's the official ones for the mic. But I can tell you I've tested it with multiple accessories of my own that you'll see here in this tutorial series. It works with other accessories too, because the form factor on the mic and the size of it and the compatibility of it is pretty solid to work with. Maybe your existing setup is maybe an upgrade purchase, possibly to fit into your particular setup. That's what's in the box with the Wave 1. There's also some packaging and some instructions and stuff in there, but who cares about that? You've got YouTube videos to teach you about it. Anyway, enjoy your Wave 1.